Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can unmute the Yahoo Finance message board. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Yahoo Finance app on your Android device. Then you can see the account section on the bottom right hand side. Go ahead and tap on account. The next step you want to do is just go ahead and tap on settings, then tap on notifications. After you tap on notifications, you can see the notification sounds option. You can just go ahead and tap on this notification sounds and you will be taken to this app notifications panel where you can easily tap on allow notifications if you want to allow it. But if you want to unmute it or mute it, you can just go ahead and tap on it. Right now it is muted, but if you want to allow the notifications, just go ahead and tap on it. And this is how easy it is to unmute the Yahoo Finance message board. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.